Invoix.biz partners with Storecove to provide access to the PEPL network for integration with LHDN. Storecove is the officially approved intermediary for e-invoicing with LHDN. Merchants must register Storecove as their intermediary in the Myinvois portal. This guide will help you register Storecove as the intermediary. How to add Storecove as intermediary at Myinvois portal. This guide provides end user the step-by-step process of adding Storecove as intermediary at Myinvois portal. Log into mytax.hasil.gov.my with your registered credentials. At the top, menu click Myinvois. Step 1. Access the taxpayer profile. On the top right-hand side of the Myinvois portal, select the Profile drop-down, then select View Taxpayer Profile. This step grants you access to view the taxpayer's profile information. Step 2. View Intermediary Information. Scroll down on the taxpayer profile page and click on the Intermediaries tab under Representatives to view the intermediary representatives. Click on an Intermediary tab to view the respective intermediary information. Step 3. Add Storecove as intermediary. Click on Add Intermediary. Enter TIN, BRN and name in the respective data fields for Storecove. TIN, BRN, name Storecove Malaysia SDN BHD. Click on search icon. Note, TIN, BRN and name should be correct. Click on Continue. Modify the representation from and representation to dates as per your requirement. Enable Allow Permission using Toggle button for all functions. Click on Add Intermediary button. Once Storecove is added, you will be redirected to Search Taxpayer page with Success message. Click on an Intermediaries tab to view the Storecove information you have added. We encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.